Hey everybody, J Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So welcome to all my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. I thank you so much for being here today. Today's video is a collaboration and it is hosted by my friend Joy from Organized with Joy. So be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist of all the other content creators that are going to be a part of this collaboration. So now let's get started with this video because I got some things that I got to show you guys that I ended up decluttering specifically for this video. So let's get started. Okay, so this first item here that I have is this storage unit here. So this used to be my hubby's and he decided he no longer wants this, so we're letting this go. I am so happy that he is assisting with the cluttering throughout the month or just period. It's just very nice to see that my family is on board with trying to declutter some things around the home. But yeah, it's a lovely thing. I will probably end up putting this on Facebook Marketplace. If I can sell things, I will, and this is something that I'm sure that I could sell. So this will be going on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so my next thing here is some hair, and yes, people, I buy my hair sometimes, as you can see in the video or in my intro. I have a different color hair. So anyway, this hair here, I will probably end up throwing it away, unfortunately, because I can't use it. But it is also too because I can't sell it. No one will want to buy this hair. But it is also where I just, you know, I really don't have a use for it. And even if you try and give it away, I don't think many people are going to be wanting to buy it. So they're not going to get it. So it goes too. Alright, so I have this attachment here for an hair dryer. I ended up getting something or ordering a hair dryer from Amazon, and this was a piece that I really don't need to use. So as a result, I need to give this away because I don't have any use for it. Some things I try to sell. This is not going to be something I'm going to sell. I'll probably just end up donating it for the most part. So it goes to the Salvation Army like all the other things that I'm going to be giving there or donating. Okay. Alright, so now we have this salad spinner here. I ended up getting another one from our place. I don't want to say the name because my device might start talking to me. Anyway, this is a replacement, so I ended up replacing it. So this I will be probably donating. I'm not going to sell it. So anyway, this is something that I'm decluttering as well. And here we are back on the floor, people. Okay, so these little containers here, I love these. I loved them when I first got them. It's just I don't have any use for them. For the most part, they're really nice. It's just that my family really doesn't use them. I thought that they would be helpful as far as for using reusable bags because that's what these are. But nobody really uses them. And I just thought that they were going to be something really nice and cool to have because I usually like to use reusable things instead of disposable things. But that just didn't happen like I was thinking it would. So I'll probably end up trying to sell these items here. Okay, now this is just a bag full of things from my vanity. So in another video that you all will see, I ended up decluttering the things in my vanity. It was 126 things that I ended up decluttering. I was like, really? But anyway, so some of the items are some of these here, and it's so many of them. So many. I'm just not going to even pull them up. I believe it was at least 36 of these that I ended up decluttering. Then I ended up decluttering these items here. I don't even know why I purchased this. I got this from the Dollar Tree and I just never used it. I probably have had it for a couple of years at least, but I thought, you know how you buy something and you're like, I'm going to use this one day, and then that day never comes. That's what happened. Okay, so this item here I ended up purchasing offline, but it came with a blow dryer that I ended up ordering, just like the other device or other item that I ended up, I'm not gonna say anything, but anyway, I got this with the blow dryer. And you know how, I think my friend Joy mentioned this before, you buy items and you're just wanting to get that one item from Amazon, and before you know it, you're getting, see my devices is calling me. Anyway, you know how you buy things and they end up giving you all these other accessories that you didn't ask for? That's what happened. That's why I have this. And this is why I'm giving it away. Well, I'm giving it away because I have too many brushes. And this type of brush really doesn't work with my hair anyway. So, I need the big papa to be helping with my hair, because this is just not going to work. Another brush, just because it was a part of a gift set that I got for Christmas and I just don't need it, so it's going to be donated as well. So off it goes to Salvation Army as well. Another brush, comb. I don't even remember. Filer here, I believe I purchased this some years from Dollar Tree, but I really don't go for this. When I have to file my nails, I just get a regular filer. I really don't grab this. Mascara, I can tell you how long I've had this, but it needs to go in the trash, because if you can't remember how long you've had it too long. Disposable bottle. Watch. I love this watch, but you know, I wear my Apple Watch for the most part. I really don't wear this, and even before I got my Apple Watch, I kind of stopped wearing this. I think I just need to have a battery for this, so I will probably try and see if I could sell this item here. This is a Citizens, am I saying that right? This is a Citizens watch here, so yeah. Some stuff I just don't have no explanation on why I have it. I wonder why I have it too, so you know, this comb. Okay, so this band right here, I sometimes wear this around my head at times, but I think it's just time to replace it, so I'll be replacing this. These are covers here. I have 2 of them for what were these? I don't remember. They're covers to my chair, my office chair, and I really don't use them. And look at that, this has some type of ink on it anyway. Oh, I didn't even know that was on there. Hairband, glove, another band. I need to let this go. It's pretty stained. If you guys can even see the stains on there, it's bad. Another brush, but this type of brush here you use for when you're combing or detangling your hair, so it's kind of like a detangle brush. And same thing, I really don't reach for it when I have to detangle my hair. Don't need this. I believe I got this from the Dollar Tree some years ago, but I already have a set for my nails and for my toes, and I just don't need to be having all these. Maybe I'll see if my kids might want it. Perhaps my daughter, I don't know, because they tend to grab for our stuff, my hubby and I stuff anyway, when they don't have something. Let me know if that happens in your household too, because it happens in our household a lot. Brush. See how many brushes I got. Another accessory from that blow dryer that I just don't need. Enough said. Some stuff is just hat. These I put when I wear wigs. And I haven't worn a wig in a couple of years, so yeah. Another accessory again. another band that I'm going to be letting go because, you know, your girl's head is a little big, and I'm not trying to be negative, Nancy. I'm just saying this right here just don't really always cover my hair. Don't give full coverage like I would like it to. I don't even remember what this is. I think it's a hat, I believe. Starfish. I think it's a paperweight. I really never knew the purpose of this. I got this as a part of a gift from serving at church, and like I said, I never really knew what the purpose was. If you know, let me know. Mirror. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. Oh, that reflection on there, that's not good. This mirror right here, yeah, I'm just gonna let it go as well. Bands that are too small for my hair. I don't know what this goes to. It's the back of something, remote control something. I don't know. A little shimmy here for my glasses, but I need to let this go. I'm getting a new pair of glasses anyway very soon. Not that you needed to know that, TMI. Then we have these here for just making little curls on the end of my hair, but I don't really use them that much. So, and I have a million of these, so you can see how by the show of things why I ended up having 126 things from my vanity and from my storage unit. It was a lot. It was a lot. Well, I hope that you guys enjoy all that I ended up showing you guys today. Be sure to check out Joy's channel as well as the playlist of all the other participants, and I will see you guys in the next one.